Hello students, we'll see the next part under the first chapter, that is cognitive science. Okay, first we'll see the what is the meaning of cognitive science. Okay, cognitive science is a study of how the mind works, functions and behaves. Okay, just remember cognitive science is nothing but is study about the human minds, how it works, how it functions and how it behaves, reactions of the human minds. Okay, actually it's a scientific topic. Okay, we'll see the basics of the cognitive science. Okay, as a scientific field of study, cognitive science requires applying multiple existing disciplines such as philosophy. The cognitive science means it includes the philosophy, neuroscience and artificial intelligence in order to understand how the brain makes a decision or perform a task. Okay, because artificial intelligence is nothing but we are creating the intelligence in artificial way. To create this intelligence, we should know how the human minds works, because we are creating the intelligence the same as the human minds, right? So it's very necessary to know the how human minds works. Okay, what are the procedures or what are the growing steps involved in the human minds. Okay, then cognitive science seeks to understand intelligence and behavior, which can help humans in many ways, such as developing educational programs and building smarter devices. Okay, cognitive science helps the human behavior to uh, developing the many programs and the building smarter devices. Cognitive science is the scientific study of human mind. It is the highly interdisciplinary field, okay, combining ideas of methods from psychology, computer science, linguistics, philosophy, and neuroscience. Psychology, computer science, linguistic is nothing but the study about the languages, different languages. For example, Kannada, English. What is the history of the Kannada? Okay, what are the letters of the particular languages, or is the lipi of particular language. This is the study of the language, is the linguistic. The broad goal of cognitive science is to characterize the nature of human knowledge, its forms and content, and how that knowledge is used, processed and acquired. It's the study of the science is to characterize the nature of human knowledge, its forms and content, knowledge, and how that knowledge is used, how that knowledge is processed, and how that knowledge is acquired. Cognitive science is a branch of science which studies the nature of mental process and the operations of your mind, particularly functions such as perception, attention, and memory. Okay, cognitive science is a branch of science, okay, which studies the nature of mental process. Mainly, it studies the nature of the mental process. Okay, it is a study of the mental process of a human mind and the operations of mind, particularly functions as perception, how to perceive the, how to identify particular things, particular language, particular any objects, attention, how to seek the attention, okay, consciousness, what do you mean by consciousness, oh, and the memory, how memory works, what is the main function of the brain, right? Okay. Next, unlike psychology, it does not confine itself to humans nor even to animals, but seeks laws that would apply to non biological beings or aligned life forms as long as they could be said to have a mental process. Okay, mainly it's study about the mental process. Cognitive science means the study of thought, learning the mental organization, which drawn on aspect of psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and computer modeling. Mainly study of the computer modeling and the philosophy, psychology, and the linguistics. Next, see here, cognitive science is a study of the mind, including its structure and everything it does. It includes a variety of research sciences, includes education, the study of human, how people learn. Okay, we'll see the meaning of particular terms. Okay, education is the, it is the study of how people learn, learning process, how people learn, that is the education. Philosophy is the study of knowledge, reality and existence. Philosophy is the study of knowledge, reality and existence. Then artificial intelligence is the study of thinking machines and systems. It is a Artificial intelligence is nothing but we are adopting the intelligence, creating the intelligence in artificial way, and we are adopting it to the machines. Psychology, philosophy. Okay, it's a philosophy, the study of knowledge, reality, and existence. Now, the psychology, the study of behavior and the mind. Then, neuroscience, the study of the nerve systems of a human mind. Then, linguistics is the study of the language. Okay, what is the history, what is the effect, what are the background of a particular languages. Then, anthropology, the general study of human society and culture. These are the main terms of the of different uh, terms. Okay, the meaning of different terms. Next, we'll see the cognitive science, a brief history of cognitive science. Since the beginning of time, man has tried to understand his own mind. Okay, he's tried to understand his own mind. Some of the earliest writers spoke of the wonder of thoughts and the foolishness and wisdom that mankind is capable of, often in equal measure. Really, it's a what? Wonder of about the human mind, right? How it works. Okay, what is the main reason for that reactions or thinkings or that intelligence, right? Okay, Aristotle, one of the early Greek philosophers, spoke of the brain and its many functions, and in particular human knowledge. Aristotle is he started to think about the human minds and the many functions and the particular human knowledge. The science of philosophy, the science of psychology really began to develop, and in particular the field of experimental psychology. It was at it was at this time that scientists adopted the theory of behaviorism, an idea that certain behaviors were programmed and would occur as a biological reaction to stimuli. It's nothing but how the person is give reaction to another particular actions and reaction. There should be a reaction for a particular action, right? For example, if someone beat us means we should give reactions, right? We will give the reactions. Okay, that is what is the reason for that reactions, how the mind works against that react actions, right? In 1950s, the cognitive revolution began when a number of researchers from different fields started to develop mind-based theories. Many of the in 1950s, many of these researchers are very curious about the human minds. Okay, how it works, and they started to develop mind-based theories based on computational procedures and complex representations. In 1960s, cognitive psychology became predominant. It's became predominant, and since in 1970s, more than 60 universities in Europe and North America have established cognitive science programs. And the more than 60 universities in 1970s, Europe and North America have established cognitive science programs. Okay, this is about the brief history about the cognitive science, and this is about the meaning of the cognitive science. It is nothing but thinking about the mind and study about the mind and how it works. Because what is the reason introduction of the cognitive science under the artificial intelligence? Because artificial intelligence is nothing but we are creating the intelligence same as the human minds, right? Okay, before creating the intelligence in artificial way, it is necessary to know how human mind works. Okay, how naturally human minds works. So cognitive science is nothing but study about the human minds. It came into existence. Okay, we'll see the some other part of the cognitive science under the next class. Thank you.